Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through a very quick overview of Module 2, Lesson 1, which is really an introduction to functions or methods in Java, and specifically we're going to take a look at passing parameters by value and static functions. So if we take a deeper look at the code for this first lesson, I'm going to go ahead and run it, and what you'll see if you've been following some of the other lessons is that this is actually a repeat of an earlier lesson. So it's kind of an assignment statistics program, so it'll ask you to enter a number of assignments. So I'll say 3, and then I'll enter some grades for those, and then I'll ask you, are there any late grades? I'll say yes. I'll enter some grades, maybe another one, then I'll say no. So the functionality is pretty much the same as an earlier program. It's actually lesson 8 from module 1. But what you'll see here is this new lesson is really emphasizing functions and then static variables and methods. So if you actually take a look at the old lesson, you'll see everything was done in this one big main method. So all this code, this kind of monolithic main method. Whereas in the new example, what we're going to do is we're going to take that old code and break it into smaller pieces, so it's a lot more readable and maintainable. So you'll see our main is actually only a portion of our code. You can see we actually have a few what are called methods and functions here: the print stats, update stats, and get next grade. So that will basically make our main a lot smaller and a lot more readable. And this is really getting into the power of programming and methods. Again, we'll take an emphasis on static, what it means to be static in terms of variables and methods. And that's what lesson 1 for module 2 is all about. Hope to see you at hellodrdan.com, where you can basically see how we'll take a program and we'll learn to look at which pieces could be broken into methods and how that process would go about. All right, thanks.